The 2007 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, passenger airbag, tachometer. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.